Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Bumalik si Hubby. Sabi niya siya raw magluluto ng almusal namin. So titingnan ko kung anong lulutuin niya sa akin.
Hi guys! I come back this morning to make my beautiful sexy wife some poached egg on toast. Bread goes into the toaster. The water's boiling on the cooker. Pepper on the fan. She'll be giving it, my wife will be giving it steam all over the places. You boil the water, you crack the egg, and you put the egg into the water. So basically you're actually boiling the egg without the shell. Two for Annalisa, or as it's also known as Ema. And a special hello to Annalisa's aunt in the Philippines and all our friends in the Philippines.
Yeah.
We also add salt and pepper, but that's a later stage. Toast is made, leave it standing slightly to take the heat away from it. So it doesn't get soggy on the plate. The toast sweats with the heat.
Yeah.
Annalisa's coffee, she doesn't like it too strong, she likes it pretty cold, and she has a bit of a sweet tooth. She puts brown sugar into it. And she keeps telling me, Daddy, you'll be all obese by 2020.
Brown sugar is more healthier, you know. So it's fine.
It's one of these fabs she has. It's always hard to eat the brown sugar, but not for me. So there's two more toast. Cooked to perfection.
It's brown.
I won't give Annalise that because she'll be giving out to me. See our coffee, very milky and very light. But there's 2 teaspoons of sugar in it.
Oh no, it's just only one. Excuse me.
No, it's 2. We use olive spread for healthier lifestyle. But it's not butter.
What is that called then?
Olive spread. When Annalise just likes toast on her own, she likes it very hot, and she likes it to be immediately when it's taken off the toast. But sometimes when you call and make tea for toast for Annalise, 20 minutes later, and then she comes in and says, "That's cold." Yeah. So here's the poached eggs. You strain the egg, all the water off the egg. Make sure there's no water coming with the egg onto the bread. Onto the bread. And again, water off the egg. Slightly tip it. And on to the toast. When you've that done, a little bit of salt. But the most important thing is the pepper. Sprinkle with pepper. And Annalisa's poached egg on toast on a coffee is now made. She's going to walk into the chairs now and fall on her backside. But before we give her that, we must give her orange juice. And if people's posting back any comments, please tell Annalise to drink plenty of orange juice. Not 2 mouthfuls of it and then say, "I've enough." She likes to be behind the camera, not in front of the camera. And for any Filipino living in Ireland and they want to get couture orange juice, go to B&M stores in Newry. very cheap, good store, and very, very good products. All brand names. Half the price than here in the Republic of Ireland. One brand these. Of me. Now I must put my eggs in the pot. Come on, edge of the pot, make sure you don't burn yourself. It's very tasty, very quick. And you see the eggshells. Annalise uses the eggshells for the orchids. See? She breaks them up and uses them as a fertilizer for the orchids. Now, I'll just put them out in the utility room in the collection box tomorrow. What I like to do, as soon as I'm finished, I like to clean as I go. I don't like stuff all over the place. So clean as you go, and then sit down and enjoy your breakfast or your snack with your loved ones. But remember, always have fun, enjoy your family. See, now, as soon as you're finished with the water, steep the pot. Do not leave the pot. Steep the pot in water. A little bit of fairy liquid. Make sure you probe the ring, the cooker and the fan. But please clean as you go. If you don't clean as you go, Emac and Lisa will be given out to me. Again, the salt. The pepper. I like pepper. And clean as you go. I forgot I make my tea. Huh?
All is yours today.
About to have our poached egg and toast. And we're going to talk about little things over our breakfast here. About our two kids, two great kids. What do you call it? Our oldest boy is waiting on his junior cert results on Friday week the 4th. We're all excited. And our youngest daughter, Ilana, is after passing her piano exams. I think her mother uploaded her piano playing yesterday. And she's our little princess. And Guillermo, our son, both of them are very diligent in their works and studies for school. And Ilana is very arts and craftsy, and so is Guillermo. What do you call it? They're great kids. I have a great wife. We're now married 16 years. And I would get married to the same woman all over again. But I will say one thing, and never forget, everybody has a friend. A problem shared will be no problem at all. So if you have a problem or something to talk about to your friends and enjoy life. Salamat!